Hello, folks and students. Let's welcome back. So let's try to break the answer for last question. What I have asked. Let's repeat the question. How and where do you control default invoice type? Okay. Probably all these are direct way or indirect way. It will be helpful for your certification. Okay. So if the interviewer is more typical, then he will ask you these kind of questions to the to poke the subject. Okay. So billing document, no chance. Sales organization, not at all. And item category, there is no link between this and that. Let me show you the question again. How and where control default invoice type. Okay. So item category, no chance. Sales area, no relation. Sales document type. This is the place where you are going to assign your say order related billing or order related invoice document or delivery related invoice document type, which will specifically will be assigned in the header configuration of the sales document type. E is the correct answer. Delivery document type, schedule and category. All these are the wrong answers. So E is the correct answer for this. If you like this video and if you like this answer, please subscribe my YouTube channel to get more knowledge like this. And I would like to request you, okay? So if you really wanted to, one second, subscribe my YouTube channel, you can subscribe it. And this is my course, all kind of, SD S4 HANA courses. Really want to give a difference, you can give a try. SD course with 106 hours and idoc training. These are the two courses important for real time. A lot many courses, including pricing. I'm just providing these links below the video. If you have time, you can subscribe. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Have a great day. Minute things also important in our life. Certain times, the minute thing might fetch you a best job in your life. Keep learning. All the best. Have a great day.